This is where these things are going to happen at. All right. So you must understand the valuable information that you're getting from here, because we're getting you back to nature. Okay. Now, nature represents what? Nature and, or let's say natural. Natural and unnatural. If you only had two things, right? We're talking about the spiritual and the physical. Which one of these is spiritual, natural or unnatural? Which one of these is spiritual, natural or unnatural? And which one of these is physical? Thank you. So the spiritual is natural. And the physical is unnatural. Equals the lower self. Equals the higher self. So me trying to get you back to nature with your owner's manual is me trying to do what? Somebody getting back to their natural ways of being. Somebody getting back to nature. It means you're doing what? Come on, somebody.